Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create WhatsApp forms and add them to Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a message template with a form attached, and after creating the template, automatically we are going to send that template to our lead or user, and after sending the template, automatically Pabbly Chatflow is going to capture the response for the form. So here if you wish to learn about this process step by step, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create WhatsApp forms and add them to Pabbly Chatflow. This will help you collect user responses directly on WhatsApp and automate follow-up seamlessly. Alright, so here on the screen you can see my WhatsApp manager window, and here you can visit it by simply searching for business.facebook.com, and after that you need to navigate yourself to your WhatsApp manager account, and here under WhatsApp manager you can see account tools where you can see a flows option. So from here you need to select this flows option, and here under flows you can see all existing flows that I've created over here till now. And now from here we are going to create a new flow by clicking on this create flow button given over here on the top right corner. And now here under this create flow window, you can see it is asking me to give a name to my flow first. So here I'm going to give the name as support lead, and here for the categories I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and you can see some categories available over here. So here let me tell you that you can select multiple categories from this drop down menu. So we are going to select customer support and contact us. Alright, so now you have to selecting the category. Let's move forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template type. So we can select the template type as without endpoint and with endpoint. So here it says connecting your flow to an endpoint allow data to be exchanged between the customer's device and your business endpoint. So here you can see some options for with endpoint as well. So here I'm going to create a flow without the endpoint. So here I'm going to create a sample flow for the same, and here I'm going to select the template category as customer support. So here you can see the flow preview such as name, order number, choose the topic, and here you can see some options. Alright, so now you have to entering all the required details. I'm going to click on this create. And here you can see we have received a JSON code of the flow over here. So here you can see the entire JSON code, and here on the right side you can see the preview of the form. So here if you wish to change the setup of this flow, then you can simply edit this JSON code over here. So let's do that. So here let's suppose that I want only a orders option over here instead of orders and payments. So here I'm going to edit the title for the same. So I'm going to remove this payments text from here, and I'm going to keep it as orders only. Alright, so now you have to editing the title. I'm going to click on the save first, and automatically you can see the flow preview updated over here where we have received the choose a topic option as orders only. Alright, so for now I don't want to change any of the title. I want to keep it same over here. So for that I'm going to add the payment option again. Alright, so I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see automatically the preview has been updated. Alright, so now you have to completing the flow. I'm going to click on this publish over here, and then it says you are about to publish this flow. So I'm going to publish this flow by clicking on this publish button, and it says your flow has been published. So now here after publishing the flow, I'm going to add this flow in a message template. So for that I'm going to click on this add to a message template. And as soon as we have clicked over here, you can see it has directed us to the create template window. So here before moving forward with creating the template, you can see a template preview in the right side, and here you can see automatically it has added a view flow call to action button over here. That means we have successfully connected our flow that we just right now created to this message template. Alright, so here you can see the template name has been updated with the flow name only, so I'm not going to change it. And here you can select the language of your template. So here my language is going to be English only, so I'm not going to change the language, but you can select the language as per your need. Alright, so moving forward, and here under this content you can see it is asking me to select the variable. So here by clicking on this drop down you can see the variable type as name and the number. So for now I'm going to select the variable type as number only, and then it is asking for the header. So it's an optional field. If you wish to add the header over here, then you can do it as per your need. Alright, so let's move forward with the body, and here we are going to add a body for our message template. So let me add the body over here. So here I've successfully entered a body over here that you can see in the preview of the template that says, "Hi, thank you for reaching out to us. I'm here to help you. Could you please let me know more about your query so we can assist you better?" To make things easier, we have attached a quick form for you to fill out with your details and the requirements. Once you have submitted the form, we will get back to you shortly with the right information or the next steps. Alright, so this is the body, and here I'm going to make this greeting text as bold. So I'm going to bold this text over here, and you can see automatically the template preview has been updated over here. So this is the final body of our template. Let's move forward, and here if you wish to add the footer, then you can do it as per your need. Alright, so let's move forward, and then we have received the option for buttons. Alright, so here if you wish to add the buttons to your template, then you can do it as per your need. So here you can add some custom quick reply buttons as well, and some call to action buttons as well. So you can see automatically a call to action button of view flow has been added over here to our message template, and also you can add some more call to actions button as well, such as visit website, or you can say call phone number or copy offer code. So here I want to keep the call to action button only for the phone number, so I'm going to remove this copy offer code and the website as well. Alright, so here you can see the type of action is being selected as call phone number, and here for the button text I'm going to keep it as call only. So I'm going to remove this text from here, and then here to add the phone number, firstly I'm going to select my country code as India, and then I'm going to add a sample phone number over here. Alright, so now after adding the phone number, you can see a template preview in the right side. So this is the final template over here, and now after entering all the required details for my template, I'm going to click on the submit for review so that my template can be sent for a review. Alright. And here you can see it says confirm which languages you are submitting. So here you know that my language selected was English, so I'm going to confirm the language, and then I'm going to click on this confirm. And here you can see it says message template submitted. That means we have successfully submitted the template for the review. And here under manage templates, you can see our template that we have created with the name support lead. Alright, so now after creating a new message template in our WhatsApp manager, let's move to our Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. So this is my Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. Alright, so here we are going to access a feature that is template in our Pabbly Chatflow account available in the left sidebar. So from here I'm going to select the templates list, and here under templates you can see all the templates that I've created over here. So here before moving forward, firstly I'm going to click on this sync templates that says click here to sync your templates from Meta. For more information on supported template types in Chatflow, refer to the guide. So here I'm going to click on the sync templates first. And here you can see we have received all the templates over here, and here you can see the template that we just right now created with the name support lead, and here you can see the status of a template is approved over here. That means now we can use this template to send the message to our leads. Alright, so I'm going to open the template, and here you can see the preview of the template that we just right now created. Alright, so now after creating the template, we are going to test this template by simply sending this template message to my WhatsApp number. So for that, let me all take you to the inbox. And here in the inbox you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. So this is my WhatsApp number, and here let's suppose that I'm going to send a template message that we just right now created. So this is the template message that we just right now created, and then I'm going to click on this send. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully sent this message, and here you can see the message status as sent, delivered and read. So here I've already seen this message on my WhatsApp number, and here you can see the screen recording that I've attached over here of my WhatsApp. Alright, so here you can see the message that we have received that says, "Hi, thank you for reaching out to us. I'm here to help you. Could you please let me know more about your query so we can assist you better?" To make things easier, we have attached a quick form for you to fill out with your details and the requirements. Once you have submitted the form, we will get back to you shortly with the right information or the next steps. And here you can see the call to action buttons that we have received with the name as view flow and the call. So let's click on this view flow. And here you can see a form has been opened over here. So I'm going to enter some dummy details over here. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as demo user. And here for the order number, I'm going to enter a random order number. And here it is asking me to choose a topic. So let's select returns over here, and here for the description of the issue, I'm going to enter the description as I'm unable to process a successful return. Alright, so here I've added the description, and then I'm going to click on this done. And here you can see it says view flow response sent. That means we have successfully sent a response over here. And now here on my inbox, you can see the response that we have received over here on this chat, where we have received the details such as the name, order number, description of the issue and the topic as returns. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create WhatsApp forms and add them to Pabbly Chatflow. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you have any doubt related to this process, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.